Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Parik. I am pursuing PGDM from Institute of Rural Management Jaipur. The topic of my Viva Voice is Organized Retailing, Future of Retailing. The abstract India is land increasing retail opportunities. Retailing has bright prospect propelled by the lifestyle changes taking place among the customer. The retailers have realized that creating superior customer service is the key of their success. The challenges to the retailer is not only to satisfy the customers but also to delight and retain relationship with customers. The example of retailing is DMart. मेहनत हमारी बचत आपकी. Mission of DMart: to be the lowest price retailer in the area of operation, city and region. The vision of DMart: it is our continuous endeavor to investigate, identify and make available new products categories for the customers everyday use and at the best value than anybody else. Layout of DMart: all FMCG products which are used daily are kept on ground floor. The vegetable and medicine counter are also situated on the ground floor. The first floor is mainly for apparel and garment. Men's, women's and kids wear are available on this floor. The second floor stores all the home appliances, sports equipments and gift articles, etc. The exterior design. The exterior also houses baggage counters and safe deposits, certain food and refreshment stalls for the shopper to enjoy. Metal retailing are built to the shoppers to sit and rest. Security personnel are employed to check the customer with metal detectors for security reason. There is a single door for entry, whereas two doors for exit. The interior design. The interiors are green, associating it with the color of their logo. The whole stores were floored with ceramic tiles, adequate light and focusing on product for the convenience of the customer. Music was pure soft Hindi music which appealed to the target customers. Category of products: grocery, fruit and vegetables, beverage, frozen food, dairy products, personal and home care, footwears, cosmetic items, beauty care, medicines, household, fashion accessories, movie CDs and gift articles. The merchandise. The product mix is good and a lot of varieties available. The assortments for apparels is done as per the price and size. The DMart offer price and the maximum retail price both were visible on price card. During the festival season, the festivals items are kept in the main area. A wide variety of festival and decorative items for Ganpati and Navratri festivals are kept along the main passage. Advertising and promotion. DMart hoardings can be found on the lamp post on major roads in Navi Mumbai area. DMart usually advertises in major newspaper giving information about their interest offer. Promotion and sales offer were present for most of items. Example, there were a discount of 10% on Synthol products and Cadbury chocolates. There was one separate whole shelf for products there were offered at huge discount. Example, for instance, Haldiram sweets were selling at rate 25 where in the actual MRP was 45. Pricing. The pricing offered the economical in DMart. Everyday low pricing strategy is followed. DMart offers minimum 2 to 10% discount on MRP and straight 5% on medical product. Expect grocery, vegetable and fruit items. Bundle price. Two or more products were packed and were available at discount price. Example, Santosh shop bundled along with a Wipro CFL bulb. Multiply unit pricing. The strategy was followed for stimulating Sales. Example, shop bars bundled together. CRM strategy and practices. Setting up an image of discount store. Nowadays, people more attract towards discount store. DMart is retail store which come with the discount rate of product. Offer value of money, some for a specific period and some throughout the year. Target group of DMart is value conscious and upper lower middle income customers. The SWOT analysis for DMart. The strength of DMart is low pricing and competitive price. Good stable image at a retail store is also a strength of DMart, and spacious and situated at the prime location. The weakness of DMart is low brand loyalty among customer. Big Bazaar has huge local loyalty factor, poor space utilization in stores. No backing of a non-corporate business house, doesn't sell electronic equipments which are currently in huge demand. Example, laptops, plasma TVs, digital cameras, mobile phones, etc. Standalone stores not situated in any commercial building. Malls have the opportunities of DMart is booming retail sectors and limited presence in suburbs. Town markets can be potential untapped market in major cities. The threats of DMart is presence of competitors like Big Bazaar, Walmart and Reliance Retails. The global retail MNCs can open individual stores on FDI cap is removed. Thank you.